What happens to your body if you drink black tea every day? Black tea is not actually black. In China, this tea is referred to as red tea due to its color. And drinking it daily can have lots of health benefits. Some people even use it as an alternative to coffee due to its comparable caffeine content. But it can also come with some risks if you have one too many cups per day. It may reduce blood pressure. It is estimated that 26% of the world's population has high blood pressure, and this can lead to some serious issues. Even though the effect may be small, studies show that drinking black tea on a regular basis can help diminish this. Black tea may help with cholesterol. 1 out of every 3 adults has high cholesterol. But men are generally at a higher risk than women. Researchers have discovered that including black tea in your diet can lower your cholesterol levels by a significant amount. It can fight cavities. Tea, in general, can provide several benefits to overall oral health. But black tea, in particular, was found to contain compounds that kill the bacteria responsible for causing cavities. Black tea might help prevent diabetes. Tea, in general, can provide several benefits to overall oral health. But black tea, in particular, was found to contain compounds that kill the bacteria responsible for causing cavities. Black tea might help prevent diabetes. Drinking large amounts of black tea each day can come with its side effects, some of them being headaches, migraines, and nervousness, all caused by its high caffeine content. It can also cause anxiety and difficulty sleeping. While it may give you a boost of energy, overconsuming caffeine from black tea can contribute to the rise of your anxiety and stress levels. It may also disrupt your sleep cycle and affect your ability to